Hi, hello and welcome to today's market review. The date is Sunday the 23rd of July. As always, we'll go through last week's setups or any open trades and we'll have a look at some opportunities for this week. First, talk about dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss, we were looking for this market to pop down and then get a reversal around this PRZ, potential reversal zone. That didn't quite happen. We got no entries into the market. It just crashed straight through. So that was a no trade. The next call we made last week was for pound Swiss, and that was for a reversal of this PRZ zone. And we've currently hit target 2. So we've made profits on this trade, and we're looking at about 281 pips off that particular trade. The other trade we called was dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss, this is going on from a couple of weeks ago. It's finally hit target 2. We were looking for a long trade setup from last week, 154 pips. We didn't get this long trade setup last week, so that was a no trade from last week. But if you still had your positions open from a couple of weeks ago, you're looking at a couple hundred pips on that. Next, we had Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, which we called a couple of weeks ago. That's hit target 2, and so you'd have made a bit on that as well. We also had that we didn't have a call on that. Just a second. We had. Well, I'm looking this week. Rather, so those were the calls from last week. We only had, I think, the 280 pips from the new calls. This week, I'm looking for pound Australian dollar, and I'm looking for a bullish setup on this. So we have a corrective pattern here, and we'll be looking for a long trade off this zone. So that will be target 1 would be at this level here. And we'll have target 2 slightly higher towards the top of the structure. So that would be target 2. So this week, the new setups, pound Aussie, we're looking for a long setup of this. This is more of an advanced entry. This coming off an APP entry, and we'll be looking for a trade to the top. Next, we've got euro dollar. Now, euro dollar, we had a pretty big rally on Friday after the news. That was a news-led event. So we're looking for this zone here to short the market from, and we'll take any entries that are available from here going down with a target 1 of, it's quite a low target 1. So we need to make sure the entry is good. That'll be target 2 down here, and I'll just go to target 1. And that'll be target 1. So we'll take an entry off this zone if we have an entry signal, and then we'll hit target 1, and target 2 will be down here. And remember, if the market trades above this zone, which means if the price closes above this zone, which I'm just about to enter, we will not take the trade. The level is void. So bear that in mind. I'll just put, if it trades above the zone, it's void. And if you are to enter the trade, that's where you would place your stop loss. So guys, that will be it for this week. I think we had about a 280 pip last week and similar profits the week before. So yeah, make sure you take these trades when they're set up. And until next week, happy trading.